Saudi Arabia grants $40 million to Palestinian Authority. Israeli gunfire martyrs Palestinian in West Bank. Saudi king leaves Bahrain after hours-long visit. EU opposes capital punishment in Saudi Arabia. Regime shelling kills civilian in Syria's Idlib. Turkish and Russian leaders to meet third time since January. 74 Egyptians jailed for post-Cobb violence. Official death from Iran flooding rises to 57. Libyan commander orders force to advance westward. Algerians welcome aging president resignation. UN experts call on India to stop Rohingya deportation. Kashmiri man deported by UAE arrested in India.